Welcome into the era of AI. Hello and welcome to this lecture update regarding the CapCut Generative AI Video Editing Masterclass, in which I'm going to show you how you can utilize the background remover inside of CapCut to remove backgrounds. I think as of now it might be a pro option, but I'm going to teach you this as part of the CapCut course. So let me play this video and I'll let you watch when the background actually changes, and I'll show you how you can accomplish this. You can see that we can change the background, right, using CapCut in a very, very smooth way. And you can see that we can switch from a normal background, which is the original video, back to a different one, which is a matrix background, and into a different one again, which is an earth background. So without further ado, let me show you how this works. First and foremost, go ahead and start a CapCut project. Now, once you have started this particular CapCut project, here is what you need to do. You need to have a video of a person like this. For instance, this is a video of a person talking on the screen. There's nothing to it. There's just a person talking on the screen. Now, I'm going to take this particular video and drag it inside of CapCut. Okay? Well, first of all, let me go to Import. I'm going to remove that one, and I'm going to drag my own video. My bad. Right? This is it. I'm going to drag this particular video right here. All right. So once we drag the video of the person, let's place it here. Now, let's say, for instance, that you want to cut the background after a couple of seconds or 2 seconds. Now, let's click here. Let's watch about 2 seconds. That's it. I'm going to pause and I'm going to cut. All right, so I'm going to cut the video in two. And I'm going to take this part, the second half, and I would like to go ahead into the Remove BG and click the Auto Removal option. I don't think it's a pro option. I think you can use it. I think the other ones are some elements are pro, but most elements are not pro, right? So the normal background remover, where you just remove the background off of the person without adding extra effects, they don't cost you anything. You can use the free CapCut version. Believe me that when I tell you this is incredible for you to be able to remove the background like this, because normally you would need a green screen. And this is something that you need to have a green screen in the back. And if you have a software like Camtasia, then you can remove the background off of your video with Camtasia, but you need a green screen and you need a specific lighting. This is not entirely necessary now with this trick. All right, so now the background was removed. Now here is a trick that I'm going to do. I'm actually going to move this needle up here, and I'm going to basically split. And I'm going to take this part which I've split. Now here we have used the auto removal. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on it again. All right, confirm. And what this does is it basically now takes that part that I split, and I can remove the background from it now again. But I'm going to take a different effect. Look at this effect. Now, this is a special effect that you can add to your video. And guess what? Not only can you add this effect, okay, each time you unselect, be careful because you have to do all the job, or you have to do the job again, as you can see here, which is quite frustrating. But you can see that basically it adds that special effect right there. All right. Okay, I'm not sure what is going on. Now let me move to this one. And we can select a different effect, such as this one, which is the lighting. And you can change the color of it, like to maybe green or something you like. And you can take a background and apply it. Right, so for instance, I can go back here and I can take this world background and I could drag it right here, right into the CapCut project, like so, and I could use this, right? So let's say I want to use the word background just for this part of the video. I need to first of all make sure the magnet is turned off and then drag this on top of the world and then place this now below. And make sure they're perfectly aligned. Okay, and now I can crop the extra part. And now, as you can see, it looks like he is basically, it's pretty good, right? Now I'm going to move this one to the top. Like I said, make sure that the magnet is turned off. And I'm going to go back here, and I will just go ahead for the matrix background this time. I'll drag the matrix background in here. I'll crop it, and then I'll drag it here. And I'll basically make sure I crop it some more. And guess what? Have a look at this now. So we have some special effects. We can go full screen so that you can see the full effect. We can play it even. And this is, let's say, if you want to create something special in your video. Let's say you want to add a special effect to showcase your video editing abilities. You can actually absolutely do this inside of a video. So this is pretty much it for this particular hack. I'll see you in the next hack.